Waskilsmart mentorship program. So today strategies that we'll be talking about is this. So like all is a very powerful setup and you just have to know it, and it's a very active one. It works very perfect and very perfect. So from the fake side aspect here that you're seeing, so the fake one that you're seeing here the swing point here is swing point, so which means that there's a liquidity on top of it. So when the market goes down and goes up, so when the market goes up and clear out the liquidity on top of it, that's why you're seeing it here, the liquidity taking out the buy stop. So it depends on what the market do here. If the market only take a week out to take out the liquidity, then you are safe. So when the market draws down and you see this low here and the body of the candle closes this low here, it breaks out, then you can call it break of market structure, which is same as change of character. So you know that the market wanted to go lower. So you have to target the low that you want the market to go get to. Whether there's a liquidity down that you want market to get to. So and the moment you saw this, so your next step is check if there is fair value gap inside this move here. So when you see a fair value gap, acknowledge the fair value gap and draw a box. So when the market get inside the fair value gap, everything you are waiting for is the market to get inside it, then you can be a seller from there. Then you put your stop loss on top of the edge here, then you put your target. Your target to be at the angle of the reversal. That's your first target. That will be your fixed. So your second target can be down anywhere you see, okay, you feel like the market can get to. So that's the first target. So your stop loss, this will be your entry. You can draw the box here as your entry and your target. Don't forget. So let's go into the chart and we can see something very tangible and perfect. Thank you.
Okay, trader, welcome back. So as we have seen in the picture what we have seen, so now I want to practicalize it on this chart. So now this is my chart here. I'm looking at EURUSD. So the EURUSD chart here, now I'm going to look at it and we're going to discuss about it and we're going to see how it goes. So now you can see here where my mouse is here, there's a liquidity here. Yeah, there's a liquidity here where market can shift out, and down here also there's liquidity here. And the three things you have to look at, and here there's a fair value gap with this down candle, so we can just put it here. So at this range here, when markets get there, it can easily reverse. So but according to what you have drawn, so all this won't give me an excuse for me to enter a trade. So I have to look for patterns that I have drawn, so for me to be able to go inside the trade. So let's see. Okay, so now the market start now, so you just have to see if the market can take out this liquidity on top of this market here, then I'll be looking for a break. I'll be looking for market structure shift down here. So if there's a market structure shift, then actually I'm good to go. I'm going to go. I know that the market will go down. It's going to come from this. It's going to come for this. There's a liquidity down here, a very strict one. You can see the swing point. Yeah, this is a very good pattern. A, a lower candle here, a lower candle here, and another lower candle here. You can see this is very string point. So I can see that there is liquidity down here, and the market is going to come from this. Yeah, it's already near. So why can't they just take it out? But the market wants something patterned. You know, there will be a lot of traders standing here waiting for waiting for resistance level, and you just have to stock them out, take a buy stop, and you know that's what the market maker did too. So you can see now they are going for something on top of this, so you can just wait and let them go, and you only just sit back and watch. So now when the market goes up here, I just take something out, and that's why I drew a line here. There's a fair value gap here, so if the market can just get it, and I'll know, okay, this is a fine situation. I can be a seller from here. But that's not what we are looking for. That's what we are doing today. What we are doing today is about the pattern, the powerful pattern it show, and you just have to look at that, and that's all. So now, yeah, you can see the liquidity is taken out now. Yeah, you can just go a little bit more. I don't care. Just go a little bit more, a little bit more. Yeah. So, and just, but I just want to wait for the market somewhere here. Should just break out. That's what I'm looking for. Let the market break out. Yeah. Let the market break out. So, you can see, yeah, this is a very big pattern. And you can just wait and let's see. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So I just want the market down here. Yeah, this is my target. I want the market to break out. That one thing about forex trading is that you have to wait for the time. Time is very important in forex trade. Time and price. You don't need to chase price. Don't chase it. Wait. If you can't wait, then the market will stock you out, and you'll be like, wow, I was been stuck out. You see, I can confirm it down that the liquidity is taken out from here. So let me just choose pattern on it. Yeah. So we down slow out. Yeah. So this is confirmed that the liquidity is taken out, and yeah. So now the market wants something lower. Now they take out this liquidity here. It can be, wow, how am I going to know if the market is coming down to this level? Yeah, it is very straightforward answer. Why can't the market go up into this fair value gap and reverse back? You are not the market maker. You are a retail trader like I am. But I'm giving you an understanding. How you know that the market is going to come down here is that it depends on how the market take out the liquidity. There is difference between a break of market structure and change of character. That is CHOCH. The change of character is when the market, the change of, if you don't know a change of character is when the market, the candles that break out here, that take out the liquidity here, is going to come up. Like, it is going to be a body candle, not a wick. This one is a wick. There are just little candles that come out and take out the liquidity here. So they are going for something under here. So now you can see, let us see. Wow, fine, that's good. Apparently the top, wow, this is when yeah, you can see, yeah. So here now, I will not be a seller when I will not be, yeah. So I'll be a seller when the markets come back here. This is a liquidity, this is a fair value gap here. So it will be on this range and this range. So which means that I can draw my box here. So anytime the market comes back inside here, I'll be a seller. So let me just put my selling pending order, and where, yeah, okay. Let me do market order. So let me just wait. When the market gets inside here, I want to be a seller. I don't know. So you have to put your stop loss somewhere. You have to put your stop loss here at the edge here. You don't want to see the market coming back to this extent again. So you enter here, and this will be your target. It's very simple. But I don't know. Let me just say it's not very simple, but actually you have to do it. So you just have to do it, and when you see, yeah, I want to see market inside it. Yeah, I want to see market inside. Wow. So you just have to wait. You don't chase it. The moment you start chasing the market, the market is going to teach you a lesson, a very big lesson, very big one, and I don't know if you are going to be able to recover from the lesson. The fair value is not closed yet. So it's not closed yet. It's not closed. I can see this is a line I'm looking for. This is the fair value gap here. You can enter here, and if you enter here, be a little bit stuck out and be like, oh shit, I'm in a partial gain. Let the market come inside. Yeah. So I enter double just try it. Wow, that's good. That's amazing. Just put your stop loss up here. That's amazing. So this is your take profit. It will be down this low here. This is the target. This is what the market will. Well, you can see everything is running very fast. So that's all. So guys, let's see. Let's wait till everything just get done and just enjoy things. Yeah, you can enter very like yeah. Okay. Oh fuck. So it just inside that box you have to enter very large amount of things because you know that the market is going to come down there because the pattern is complete. There is a liquidity takeout here. There is a break of market structure, which is the same thing as change of character because the candlestick that closed down here is much. It's not just a wick, it's much. It's a very big candlestick. So wow, so this is amazing. You can see everything is running now. It's running a profit everything. 35, 40, 54, so 37. So now, wow. So I want to see the market down here. So that's what I just want to see. The market, the algorithm. That's why I'm an ICT student. So it taught a lot of things and it's very helpful and it's very amazing. And she'll be able to learn from me also. I will teach what it teach. It's just an ICT. I thought about the algorithm. Everybody laughs. They know it's saying rubbish. It's not saying rubbish. It's saying the exact thing you have to know. So this is here now. We are waiting for it down here. That's all. You can see everything is running in profit 100 all. You just have to wait. You just have to sit down and relax yourself and be like, wow, I'm going to see. So the moment a break out here, just know that it is amazing. Your your analysis is right. It's not going to happen it day not going to happen overnight. You can see a swing point. Yeah, this is very good swing point. It takes out the swing point here. So and there is no fair value gap. So you can see, wow, amazing. Just come down here and take your profit and you'll be like, wow, that's good, that's amazing, I did it. Yeah. So guys, that's the strategies, and I'll be doing more videos. Just stay tuned and follow me on my Instagram, on my Twitter, on my Facebook. Yeah, I'll be dropping a lot of signals on my Telegram, and you can just join the trial group and you can see. And if you feel like, no, I'm not joining the trial group, you can join the VIP also. It's amazing. It's of a very winning strategies. You can make money from it and we can all win together. It's just saying. And you follow me on Instagram, I always drop like ins and a lot of strategies. I know it works and a lot of patterns. I don't trade patterns, I don't trend line. I'm an ICT student. I learned a lot about him and the algorithm stuff, the time, everything. It's perfect. So, so you know our target, you know what you are looking for the market to get down to this down here. So you don't need to close all your profit. I want to take small. If the market comes down to this extent, I can take half of my profit. You see what it does here? You can be a buyer, you can be a seller from here. This is another thing. The market take out a low here. The market take out an high here, and the market break down here. So you can see that another pattern has worked for you. So and market now another value is up that did not take the high of this high. So you can just be a seller from there and be like, wow, another opportunity. So you can see, I don't say it's simple, but you have to set your mind and your eye to see. The moment your eyes start seeing, your eyes cannot unsee it. That's the logic of life. So I hope you can see this my target. Hit my target, but I don't take, so I'll just take off some, and you can see 200 everything. Just take off some. So just take off some, and that's all. So now I'm taking off some profit. I know it's going to take, so I just want to take off some everything. For Just take us some before it get out.